Hey everybody, the question that I get asked the most: what is going on with the restoration, mergers and acquisitions market? If you want to know what the market is like today in the restoration industry, the answer is actually quite complicated. The market's actually very challenging. There's very low inventory. There's a lot of buyers chasing great companies. And there's liquidity is at an all-time high. The question is to people thinking about exiting or close to exiting their business, it's a rare opportunity, and how are you going to take advantage of it? The first thing you got to do is baseline your business and make sure that your business is sellable and that buyers are going to want to buy it. And the first step in doing that is just having a conversation. All right? Email me, text me, call me, be happy to hop on the phone, and let's get the process started. So during the call, we can go over a couple of things. We can analyze your business. If your business is sellable today, we can talk about how to maximize the value of the business. If your business is not sellable today, we can come up with a game plan to make it sellable so you can get the maximum value for your business when you are ready to sell.